Forgotten username recovery failed on Yolt Fix. If your username recovery on Yolt keeps failing, don't worry, most people run into this for the same reason. The truth is Yolt don't rely on usernames anymore. Instead, your account is connected directly to your registered email address, which makes recovery both faster and safer once you know how to do it right. Here's how to fix it step by step. Open the Yolt app or go to the Yolt website. On the login screen, choose Forgot Details or Can't Log In. Enter your registered email address and tap Submit. Within a few minutes, you'll receive a login or reset link in your inbox. Click that link, and you'll be able to sign back and securely, no username required. If the email doesn't show up, check it your spam or junk folder. Automated messages often get filtered there. Still nothing? Try another email address you might have used before. Searching your inbox for past Yolt transaction summaries or setup confirmations could also help you find the correct one. If you've lost access to that email entirely, contact Yolt's customer support team. Provide identifying details such as your name, date of birth, and the bank account you linked. Once verified, they'll help restore your access. Most people get stuck because they're trying to recover a username when Yolt's system simply doesn't use them anymore. By switching to email-based login, Yolt improved security and made access recovery more straightforward, but it can be confusing at first. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't stress. Use your registered email, follow the secure link, and your Yolt account will be back up and running in no time.